Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove all friends on Facebook at once. To start this tutorial, open your Facebook application. Now go to your profile on the bottom right. In here, click on Friends. Once you are here, you will see a button that says Your Friends. Now click on it and then click the three dots. And then you can there have the option to unfriend, block, or unfollow. In this case, we can unfriend. Now just tap on the button that says Unfriend Terim, or whatever the name is of your friend that you want to be cutting ties off. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.